like a pie. This is how you make Harold hair.
There you go.
Mess your hair up.
Oh, I love it.
That's good.
Oh, that's great.
Harold is the one on the right with the t-shirt. T-shirt. Am I going to be on the right? Right now I'm on the left.
One more dumb things.
Sorry.
Whoever wrote that is dumb.
I'm an idiot. How does an idiot look?
Oh my god, that's hilarious.
Here's your bagels, lady.
Here's your bagels, lady. This is hilarious. This is our best content yet, Mary. All we needed was a Dogman skit.